Okay, hi all. In this video, we'll be covering all the word problems related to arithmetic sequence. The first one is just a fill up question in which it says to fill up this. But if we know the common difference now, so I can just add in the first digit and calculate the second, and then add, then calculate third, and so on. Right, but I don't know the common difference. But I do know two things, that is a, that is first term is -3, and also I know the last term, right? So I can also do like this, that an, I can also apply this particular formula, that an, that is the last term, which is first term, second term, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. The seventh term is, right, is 12. So a plus n minus 1 d में the seventh term is 12. So 7 minus 1, d we don't know, a we know, which is -3, and the last term is how much? 12, right? So I can say the seventh term is 12. So I equated that, and why I did that is to calculate d. अगर पूरी इक्वेशन में सिर्फ वन वेरिएबल मिसिंग है, दैट इज डिफरेंस इन दिस केस, सो आई कैन ईजिली कैलकुलेट 12 इज इक्वल्स टू -3 प्लस 7d. 7 into d is 7d, minus d into 1 is d. So 12 is equals to -3 plus 6d. Then -3 will go over there. 12 plus 3 is equals to 6d. So 15 is equals to 6d, and d is equals to 15 divided by 6. How do I calculate 15 divided by 6? I can reduce it by 3. So I have 5 by 2. So d is equals to 2.5 in short. So if I have this -3 as the first term, the second term will be -3 plus 2.5, which is how much? Minus half, right? Minus half. Then minus half added 2.5, we have a minus half plus 2.5 will be just 2, right? And then we have 2, and then 9 by 2, and then 7, and then 19 by 2. So what we did in this question is, first term was -3. So -3 में अगर आप 2.5 add करोगे, so you will have 1.5, which is -1.5. Then -1.5 में आप 2.5 add करोगे, so minus plus is minus, so you have 1. ठीक है? And then just you keep on adding 2.5. Then you again add 2.5, it will be 3, right? And then add 2.5 again, it will be 5.5. Then add again. Okay, I think we've done one error. That is, first is -3. Difference is coming out to be 2.5 only. D is 2.5 only. But -3, 5 and 2, 2.5. -3, and then if we add 2.5, okay, difference is 2.5. What we can do is, we have to calculate the second term. I told you whenever we have to calculate second term, so of course we can do a plus 1d, which is a plus d. So a is how much? -3. -3 plus 2.5 is minus plus minus, so it is 3 minus 2.5, which is half only, correct? And half, that too minus half. So you have -3 minus half, then you add minus half and 2.5, which is just 2, and then you add 2.5 again, which is 4.5. Then you add 2.5 again, 7, and then you add again, it is 9.5. Then the last term was already given, if you add, that is 12. So we just have to calculate d and keep on adding 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, and 2.5, so on. That's how we fill up. Then if you see question number 5th, it says arithmetic sequence has a 10th term of 17 and 14th term of 30. Find the common difference. See, these are very important questions in terms of exam point of view. अगर आपको दिया हुआ है 10th term 17 है, so 10th टर्म इज 17 का मीनिंग है a प्लस 9d इज 17. मैंने आपको ट्रिक बताई है कि अगर 10th टर्म है तो a प्लस 9d, 11th टर्म है a प्लस 10d, 20th टर्म है a प्लस 19d. सो 14th टर्म का मतलब हुआ a प्लस 13d. सो a प्लस 13d is equals to 30. Now we have one equation, we have another equation. You just do simply one thing. आप इसको -1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर मैं -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करूँगी इट विल बिकम -a -13d -30. ये क्यों किया हमने? क्योंकि सेकेंड इक्वेशन अगर ये बन गई और फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ये है, तो इफ़ आई ऐड बोथ ऑफ देम, राइट, इट विल गेट कैंसल्ड. तो दिस इज जस्ट एलिमिनेशन मेथड. आप साइन चेंज कर देते हो. एक ए था तो मैंने दूसरा -a बनवाया, ठीक है, सो दैट वो दोनों कैंसिल हो जाए. आप कोई भी मेथड फॉलो कर सकते हो, एलिमिनेशन, सब्सटीट्यूशन, जो भी फॉलो करोगे उससे आंसर सेम आना चाहिए. अगर नहीं आता जस्ट लेट मी नो. माइनस प्लस इज माइनस and then again we have this 13, so d is equals to -13 upon -4, which is 13 upon 4, and you're getting 13 upon 4 को आप डिवाइड कर लो. 13 divided by 4, you have the answer as 3.25. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. हम इन क्वेश्चंस में क्या करते हैं, पहले आप फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बनाते हो, फिर आप दूसरी इक्वेशन बनाते हो, एंड उसको फिर आप एलिमिनेशन या सब्सटीट्यूशन से सॉल्व कर देते हो, राइट. सो इफ़ वी सी द सिक्स्थ वन, सेवेंथ टर्म 54, 13th टर्म 94. लेट्स सी. सेवेंथ टर्म 54, so that means sixth, a plus 6d is 54, first equation. 13th term is 94, that means a plus 12d is 94, right. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. So you just do one thing, इस पूरे को -1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. क्यों? क्योंकि ऊपर a है तो नीचे -a हो जाएगा. -a -12d -94. So this is the second equation, this is the first equation, and when you solve them it is like this, cancelled. -60 -40, so d is equals to 40 by 6, which is 20 by 3 as the answer, right. You can write it in decimal as well. This was the same question. Now it says the seventh one, that question number 7 is 85, 78, 71 and so on. The last term is given as 1. So let's see what all has been given and what you need to find. You need to find some of the positive terms. Okay, but we don't know how many terms are there, else we could have find it. Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus l. Why this? Because n तो आपको नहीं पता कि कितनी टर्म्स है. लास्ट टर्म पता है, सम भी नहीं पता है, तो पहले हमें an निकालना पड़ेगा. मुझे लास्ट टर्म पता है as 1, तो मुझे n निकालना पड़ेगा. क्योंकि अगर मैं कोई भी फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करूँगी, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d, इसमें भी मुझे सम तो नहीं पता है तो वो निकालना पड़ेगा. n भी नहीं पता है, तो ऐसा तो नहीं कर सकते कि जब 2 चीज़ें नहीं पता है कोई फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर दो. नो. तो दैट्स वाई हमेशा आप जनरल रूल अप्लाई करो. लास्ट टर्म इज गिवन एज 1, ठीक है. सो a इज 85, d is how much? 78 minus 85, which is -7. -7. You just multiply -7n plus 7. 85 plus 7 is 92. And then 1 minus 92 is equal to -7n. Minus 91 is equals to -7n. So we have 13 as n. If you have 13 as n, तो फिर आप यही वाला फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर दो, सम का a plus l. क्यों? क्योंकि लास्ट टर्म है. तो 13 by 2, a is, the first term is 85, the last term is 1. So you just apply this formula. So what did we learn in this question? That we need to calculate the n first and then we have to put the formula. नहीं तो उसके अलावा तो आप कैलकुलेट नहीं कर सकते हो. सो वी हैव 559 एज द आंसर. 559 का मतलब है कि यहाँ पे जो सारी टर्म्स है उसका 559 सम है. रेस्ट the proper word problems, question 8 to 11, we'll do it in the next video. These were just the elimination ones.